Okay, I just want us to go through some of the video that is, from what is happening in our land, in Biafra land today. Credit to the source of the video because I am surprised that these people have started doing what they know how to do best. This thing happened somewhere in Biafra land, I think in Nnewi, let me confirm properly. Nnewi, Old and Inri. Okay, Nnewi in Enugu State. In Enugu State, it was the same Enugu again. The same Enugu again. So, these are Fulani people, you know, doing what they know how to do best. According to this, our sister, she made this post on her X handle, and I have been following, this information for some time now. And I decided to wait to see how many Biafrans, those who claim they are they're in love with PM, and those who claim that they are in the DOS and what have you. None of them have actually said anything, but they are busy telling you that COS is this, financial minister is this and that, and going back and forward. The issue here is not about what they feel, but as they keep on attacking each other, Fulani and cows are doing their best to penetrate. In fact, they are now taking advantage of everything, which is what the instigators actually wanted. Joy killers. That's what I prefer to call them. They are all joy killers because they have seen how Biafran were jubilating in, based on what happened in Finland. We thought that all is well, that we are going to see a new thing. We thought that we are ready to advance and do what you need to do to free yourself. Unknowingly to us, we are now back to square one, courtesy of those who want to drag power and those who want to take advantage of their fellow Biafrans. Anyway, I watched also a video of this our brother. He made a video trying to explain to us what happened in Finland and what the intention were. It happened that the person that behind all this nonsense that PM was invited and all this in no other person than Bianco Juku. Hi. Okay, no this thing. You see my popcorn. And I'm not gonna doubt it. I don't doubt what he said because before when Bianca was shortlisted as one of the ministers that Tinubu won from Southeast, Dr. Kemi made a video and was shouting about it that Bianca don't allow them to use you against your people. Even PM told him that we don't have any problem with Bianca being a minister or anything, but our problem will be if Bianca decided to cross boundary that we are not going to look face. Did she hear that? No. Instead, to prove to all that she actually serious to go against what her husband started and what is good for Biafrans. She used cotton wool and cover her ears and decided to accept that offer. It's not up to a month. We are now hearing that a PM has been invited. All I'm saying now is because it has something to do with what Biafrans are going through now. All this katakata you are hearing today started and was planned from Bianca. This is the same people that claim that, don't talk to the wife of our leader. They are working with Bianca as well. And courtesy of those, and linked with those who claim that he's working with a PM. Like I said, I'm not going to play this our brother's video here, but I can only tell you what I understood from what he said. Many people need to understand that attack coming to Biafrans now is not something strange. It was well planned, and that plan was to make sure they take PM out before the convention. That was why most of these people in US were busy telling you that let us see how you are going, including this I don't need to insult anybody. Let me be civil, please. Let me be civil. Metisela was busy telling people, that on 2nd of December, their eyes will clear. that PM have collected their money. That's the propaganda they want. The plan they led was from Bianca, because Bianca went to Finnish embassy and talked to the, is it Finnish embassy or Finnish minister? I don't know. She talked to Finnish government, and she went there with in the name that she's wife of Ojukwu, who declared Biafra for the first time. And Biafrans lost a lot of lives because of that. And now somebody want to do the same thing again in Finnish government, in Finnish country, and they should not allow that. That millions of Biafrans died, and she is wife of the man who declared the Biafra. That she don't want it again, and that people don't want. That's her word, according to what our brother said. Now, after saying those things, the Finnish government said, okay, based on the petition filed against PM in the past, and the petition they filed against Finnish government, of course, from Nigeria, that somebody is in their country destroying Nigeria. Finnish government said, okay, since they are gotten to this, to the people, to the extent that people who come from that region are now reporting all those things. When Bianca did that, that was when DOS and the Mega Gift and Co. started tagging Finland, all the posts of Woto Woto and all that, and every utterance of PM that they feel that it do not go down well with Finnish authority. They started tagging those videos to them. Finnish government said it's okay, even though they know all those things, but now they are receiving reports not only from federal government who are totally different people from Biafrans, but they're now receiving some report from those who parade themselves as Biafrans. They said, okay, let us investigate those things. That's what they did. Now, when they felt that everything have been concluded, they started bragging that, come and declare Biafra, make we see. Now, the question you should ask yourself are, how many people are involved in those things? One, Bianca. Two, DOS members, all those American Gift and those faceless people, and Metula and Co. Three, of course, number one should be the federal government of Nigeria. But why I started with Bianca and the Mega Gift and the DOS people, those media people, is that these are people who come from Biafran land. Do you understand? Yeah. I mean, they are from Biafra with that DNA. So with DNA may have something else to say. So what happened is that they were hoping that declaration is not gonna take place, and insiders, people that are giving them update and when Biafra won't have Biafra, have planned to declare Biafra, they're gonna have program number day 1, day 2, day 3, and this day they're gonna declare Biafra. They were waiting. They have all this intel. They kept quiet. How many of you remember a video that I posted where Methuselah was saying that 4 people that was being detained in Finland with the PM, that they were all detained in the same day in their different countries? That those ones are not in Finland. I don't know. I thought they were, all of them are in Finland. But from what this guy was bragging about on social media, it seems like those people are not in Finland, but they were all detained in the same day, in the same time, according to what Methuselah said. You can see the level of pomposity and pride that they can do this, they execute this act in different countries at the same time, the same day. That's what we call secretive, being secretive. And that secretiveness they're talking about is knowing somebody in Biafran cabinet members, Biafran government in exile, that they have used to perpetrate those crimes. Then came the time COS declared declared Biafra. It was a surprise to them. And when you listen to interview of COS to Stars Radio in UK, she said that based on the security information that she had or cabinet members had, they have to reshuffle the date so that the Biafra will be declared that day they're supposed to declare it without hesitating. Now, some of them, I'm not gonna call name because some people have already called them, but I'm not gonna do that on this platform. The reason best known to me. I'm not supporting any saboteurs, but I have my reason. Please just bear with me. Those ones were agitating. Well, how can you, why must it be declared those days and all that, that, and they have assured Bianca and Emeka Gift and DOS group that they're going to do everything to shut down that declaration within. But COS has marked them on that. For you to see that those accumulation of anger that you're announcing on social media, for you to see the accumulation of the anger that you're announcing on social media. Now, I'm not going to say any other thing apart from this, based on those Bianca and those people that are behind those crimes. What I want to tell you is this. The time you need to come together, if not for any other thing, but to make sure that your land will not be decimated. As you are, some of them are playing video of Masakano where he said that Fulani's Nigerian government and Northerners will be focusing their attention in Southeast, why terrorists will, take their home. They'll be stranded in Biafra land. They don't know where to go because terrorists have already taken their land in the north. As you are playing that video, also remember that you yourself, as you are making noise and attacking each other on social media, your homeland will be taken away from you as well, if care is not taken. Now, I'm going to allow this video to play so that you yourself will hear what this video is all about. These Fulani people in nowhere in any state. This thing happened on 6th of December 2024. According to the report here, listen to that.
As you can see, I'm in my farm. I'm moving now. As you can see, not a fortune story. Thank you.
This thing is happening live in Niue, in the Aniri local government of Old Enugu State. Some of you may not know there. Not Niue, that is in Anambra. This one is happening in Niue. You understand? Live. So, as you all can see, the cattle rearers and the cattle are there proudly destroying their crops in a broad daylight. This is not an audio something or maybe a doctored video. You see, they're actually harvesting the rice, and those cattle rearers are there destroying and proudly, confidently destroying their farm produce. And if they eventually try to stop them here, they'll just buy them. They normally work with their gun. If you look at that guy, that Katurera, if you look at him very well, you'll see the gun by his side. They always work with the guns, cutlasses, and other weapons. You understand? Just imagine if it's just one person that is there harvesting that crops. Imagine what these people will do. This is how they go about tripping our women, killing our farmers, destroying their farmland, everything. Proudly. Why must these people be in that community? Why? For how many years? I've been doing everything possible best to send these people away from Biafra land, but yet no. See.
How can you send them away, my sister, when people who are supposed to do the job are busy bragging and shouting and attacking each other on social media? Did you see this video in anybody that's supporting GS in their platform? No. This our sister is a core member of Biafra government in Ezra. He's not a member, but he's in love. He's a supporter. He's genuine Biafran, real Biafran. Do you understand? So, tell me what you think about it. More videos are gonna come. I will write on a video of what Nigerian army are doing now in also celebrating and jubilating. Just not too long ago, that video is on the internet, but you are going to see it, of course. and people are claiming that it's fundraising because they're control of the resident without minding. They don't care about. Some of them pretend that our people are suffering. No, let us do this because of our people. They are doing it because of their position. You can't go Rago and go. You can't go Rago 2.0. That's what they are in Biafran government in Asia. People who have political ambition and they want to start with Biafran freedom movement. Ike gukwa.